Welcome to the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern reinterpretation of a true classic, designed for a new generation of drivers who value beauty, innovation, and a refined driving experience. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this reborn icon, exploring how Volkswagen blends timeless design with advanced electric performance and modern technology. From the very first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia feels special. Its exterior design is a clear nod to the original, with a long, flowing hood, smooth curves, and a low, coupe-like stance that instantly stands out. Frameless doors, sleek body lines, and a gently sloping roofline give it a sophisticated grand touring profile. Modern touches like slim LED matrix headlights, an illuminated Volkswagen logo, and a closed aerodynamic front fascia bring the design firmly into the future. Around the back, a full-width LED light bar, subtle active aero elements, and a clean, sculpted rear end complete the look, making the car feel elegant from every angle without being overly aggressive. Inside the cabin, the Karmann Ghia focuses on calm luxury and smart simplicity. High-quality materials, sustainable leather alternatives, soft-touch surfaces, and brushed metal accents create a premium atmosphere. Ambient lighting wraps the interior and can be customized to match your mood. The driving position is low and sporty, giving you that classic coupe feeling, while the wide windshield and slim pillars provide excellent visibility. A fully digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, paired with a large central touchscreen that controls infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings in a clean, intuitive layout. Technology plays a big role in the experience. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, advanced voice control, and intelligent navigation that adapts to your driving style. A premium sound system delivers rich, immersive audio, while features like a panoramic glass roof, head-up display, wireless charging, and dual-zone climate control make every journey more comfortable. On the safety side, Volkswagen includes a full suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automated parking, and traffic jam assist, helping reduce stress in daily driving. Performance is smooth, quiet, and confident, thanks to its electric powertrain. Built on Volkswagen's latest EV platform, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to offer multiple configurations. The standard version uses a single rear-mounted motor, delivering balanced handling and instant electric torque for quick, effortless acceleration. For those wanting more excitement, a dual-motor all-wheel drive version adds extra power, sharper response, and improved traction. The low-mounted battery pack lowers the center of gravity, which improves stability and cornering while keeping the ride comfortable and composed. On the road, the Karmann Ghia is tuned for refined driving rather than extreme performance. The suspension absorbs bumps smoothly, making it ideal for long highway cruises, while still feeling controlled and responsive on winding roads. Steering is light and easy in the city, but becomes more precise at higher speeds. Different driving modes allow you to switch between relaxed, efficiency-focused cruising and a more dynamic, engaging setup, adjusting throttle response, steering feel, and overall character. Efficiency and practicality are also part of the package. The aerodynamic shape and advanced battery technology help deliver a strong driving range, making the Karmann Ghia suitable for daily commutes as well as longer road trips. Fast charging support allows you to regain a significant amount of range in a short time, making electric driving more convenient and stress-free. Despite its sleek coupe design, the interior offers enough space for comfortable seating and usable storage, proving that style doesn't have to come at the cost of everyday usability. What truly sets the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia apart is its emotional appeal. In a market dominated by SUVs and sharp-edged performance cars, this vehicle brings back the idea of elegant, relaxed grand touring. It's a car designed for people who enjoy the feel of the road, the silence of electric driving, and the beauty of thoughtful design. It doesn't shout for attention, but it naturally draws it. As we wrap things up, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia stands as more than just a revival of a classic name. It represents Volkswagen's vision of the future, where heritage, sustainability, comfort, and modern performance come together in one beautifully designed package. If you're someone who values timeless style with modern innovation, this could be one of the most exciting Volkswagen concepts turned reality. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Reborn Karmann Ghia in the comments below.